In this video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the media pool. If you don't see it, click the media pool icon in the top left to reveal it. Now locate your timeline. It's the item with the film strip icon. Right-click the timeline, go to Timelines, then Timeline Settings. In the window that opens, uncheck Use Project Settings. This unlocks resolution editing. Now change the resolution under Timeline Resolution. For square video, enter 1080 by 1080. Click OK. Now, as you can see, we have black bars around the video. To fix that, open the inspector and scroll down to the Retime and Scaling section. Under Scaling, change the setting to Fill. This will automatically resize your video to fit the new aspect ratio without stretching or cutting it off. For vertical video, use 1080 by 1920. Below that, under Mismatched Resolution, make sure Scale Entire Image to Fit is selected. Click OK. DaVinci will automatically scale your video to fit the new aspect ratio without needing to adjust it manually.